If you're experiencing a verification pending status with Travelers Insurance, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Review your email for any communication from Travelers Insurance. They may have sent you a request for additional information or documentation needed to complete your verification. Step 2. Log into your account. Access your Travelers Insurance account online. Navigate to the verification section to see if there are any alerts or messages that provide more details about the pending status. Step 3. Gather required documents. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you cannot find any information online, reach out to Travelers Insurance customer support. Provide them with your details and ask for clarification on what is causing the delay in verification. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting any required documents or information, follow up with customer support to ensure your verification is being processed. Keep a record of your communications for reference. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status with Travelers Insurance efficiently. If issues persist, consider seeking further assistance from a supervisor or a higher level representative.